Herbal Beauty Rituals, enhancing your natural glow with plant-based remedies. Welcome to my channel. Join us in this captivating video as we delve into the world of herbal beauty rituals, enhancing your natural glow with plant-based remedies. Discover the power of nature's gifts and unlock the secrets to a luminous, rejuvenated complexion. But before we embark on this delightful journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more enchanting beauty insights. Number 1. Herbal Steam Facial. The Herbal Steam Facial is a rejuvenating and purifying ritual that deeply cleanses and refreshes your skin. To perform this ritual, start by boiling a pot of water and adding a handful of dried herbs like chamomile, lavender, or rose petals. Allow the herbs to infuse the water with their healing properties. Once the steam has reached a comfortable temperature, place your face over the pot, making sure to keep a safe distance to avoid getting too close to the hot water. Cover your head with a towel to trap the steam and create a steam tent. Allow the herbal steam to envelop your face for about 5 to 10 minutes. As you inhale the aromatic steam, feel it opening up your pores, cleansing away impurities, and promoting circulation in your skin. Number 2. Aloe Vera Face Mask. The Aloe Vera Face Mask is a simple yet effective beauty ritual that harnesses the soothing and healing properties of aloe vera to nourish and hydrate the skin. To create the mask, start by cutting open a fresh aloe vera leaf and extracting the gel inside. Apply the gel directly to your cleansed face, spreading it evenly and avoiding the delicate eye area. Let the aloe vera mask sit on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the aloe vera gel will deeply penetrate your skin, providing essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Aloe vera is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it especially beneficial for calming irritated skin, reducing redness, and alleviating acne or minor skin irritations. Number 3. Turmeric and Honey Mask. The turmeric and honey mask is a potent herbal beauty remedy that combines the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric with the moisturizing and healing benefits of honey. To create the mask, mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a tablespoon of raw honey in a small bowl. Stir the mixture until you have a smooth and consistent paste. Apply the mask to your cleansed face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it excellent for reducing redness, calming acne, and promoting an even skin tone. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin and locking it in, providing hydration and helping to soothe dry or irritated skin. Number 4. Rosewater Toner. Rosewater Toner is a gentle and refreshing herbal beauty product that is made by distilling rose petals with water. It serves as a natural toner that helps balance the skin's pH levels and provides numerous benefits for all skin types. To use rosewater as a toner, cleanse your face thoroughly and then apply the rosewater to your skin using a cotton pad or by spritzing it directly onto your face. The rosewater will help remove any remaining traces of dirt or impurities while hydrating and soothing the skin. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties can also help reduce redness and irritation, making it particularly suitable for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Rosewater Toner is a versatile and multitasking herbal beauty product. Besides toning your skin, you can also use it as a refreshing facial mist throughout the day to revitalize and hydrate your skin. Number 5. Green Tea Eye Compress. The Green Tea Eye Compress is a soothing and revitalizing herbal beauty ritual that targets tired and puffy eyes. To create the compress, brew a cup of green tea using a green tea bag or loose green tea leaves. Allow the tea to cool down to a comfortable temperature and then soak 2 cotton pads in the tea. Gently squeeze out any excess liquid and place the soaked cotton pads over your closed eyes. The natural caffeine and antioxidants in green tea can help reduce puffiness and inflammation around the eyes while providing a refreshing and rejuvenating sensation. Leave the compress on for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the coolness and the beneficial properties of the green tea to work their magic. Number 6. Calendula Infused Oil Massage. Calendula Infused Oil Massage is a nourishing and soothing herbal beauty ritual that harnesses the healing properties of calendula flowers to promote healthy and radiant skin. To prepare the infused oil, place dried calendula flowers in a clean glass jar and cover them with a carrier oil, such as jojoba, almond, or olive oil. Seal the jar tightly and let it sit in a warm and sunny spot for at least 2 weeks, allowing the oil to extract the beneficial compounds from the calendula flowers. After the infusion period, strain the oil to remove the flowers, leaving you with a fragrant and golden-hued calendula-infused oil. When ready to use, warm a small amount of the infused oil between your hands and massage it gently onto your skin. The soothing and anti-inflammatory properties of calendula can help calm irritated or sensitive skin, reduce redness, and promote a healthy complexion. Number 7. Lemon and Sugar Scrub. The lemon and sugar scrub is a refreshing and invigorating herbal beauty scrub that exfoliates and brightens the skin. To create the scrub, mix together equal parts of freshly squeezed lemon juice and granulated sugar in a small bowl. The sugar provides gentle exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and impurities, while the lemon juice, rich in vitamin C and citric acid, helps to brighten and rejuvenate the skin. Apply the scrub to damp skin and gently massage it in a circular motion, paying extra attention to areas like elbows, knees, and heels that may need more exfoliation. The lemon and sugar scrub will leave your skin feeling smooth, soft, and refreshed with a renewed glow. The lemon and sugar scrub is an effective and affordable way to revitalize your skin and achieve a healthy complexion. The natural citric acid in lemon juice acts as a gentle chemical exfoliant, helping to brighten dark spots and even out skin tone. Number 8. Chamomile Face Mist. The chamomile face mist is a gentle and soothing herbal beauty product that provides instant hydration and a sense of calmness to the skin. To create the face mist, brew a strong chamomile tea using dried chamomile flowers. Allow the tea to cool down and then transfer it to a spray bottle. Spritz the chamomile-infused water onto your face throughout the day whenever your skin needs a refreshing boost. Chamomile is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for soothing irritated or sensitive skin. Its gentle and hydrating formula makes it suitable for all skin types, including dry or acne-prone skin. The chamomile face mist is a versatile and convenient herbal beauty product. Besides using it as a facial mist, you can also use it to set your makeup or as a toner after cleansing. Number 9. Oatmeal and Yogurt Mask. The oatmeal and yogurt mask is a gentle and nourishing herbal beauty mask that provides exfoliation and hydration for the skin. To prepare the mask, mix equal parts of ground oatmeal and plain yogurt in a bowl to create a smooth paste. Oatmeal acts as a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and impurities, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which provides a mild chemical exfoliation. Apply the mask to your cleansed face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. As the mask sits on your skin, the oatmeal will help absorb excess oil, while the yogurt will soothe and hydrate, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and rejuvenated. The oatmeal and yogurt mask is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, as it is gentle and non-irritating. The combination of exfoliation and hydration makes it an excellent choice for promoting a balanced complexion. Number 10. Coconut Oil Hair Treatment. The coconut oil hair treatment is a nourishing and restorative herbal beauty ritual that provides deep hydration and promotes healthier, shinier hair. To perform the treatment, warm up a small amount of coconut oil in your hands until it becomes liquid. Start by applying the coconut oil to your scalp, massaging it gently with your fingertips to stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. Then, work the oil through the lengths of your hair, focusing on dry or damaged areas. Once your hair is fully coated, cover it with a shower cap or towel and leave the coconut oil on for at least 30 minutes to allow it to penetrate and nourish your hair. For a more intensive treatment, you can even leave it on overnight. Coconut oil's natural fatty acids deeply condition and moisturize the hair, while its antimicrobial properties can also help combat scalp issues like dandruff. If you love our exploration of herbal beauty rituals, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future magical journeys with us. Let us know in the comments below which herbal remedy resonated with you the most, or share your favorite herbal beauty tips with our community.